Hi, I am Nishtha and we are back with another video of how does multi-vendor integration enhance commerce tools. In our previous video, you learned the integration process. Once the integration is set up, the next step is to import the data from CT to MVM. In this video, we'll guide you through the import process, ensuring that all your essential information is transferred efficiently and accurately. So let's jump in. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. So let's check how we can import the data from CT to MVM. So here we are at the MVM panel. You have to enter the email and the password and click on login. There you can see the option of products. Then choose import products from there. Here we have the option of import products. Click on that. So here we have two options. The first one is select duration. That means from the date till which date you want to import the data, so that you can import the data in bulk. And the second one is using ID or slug. If you want to import any individual data or any individual product, so you can use it with the help of ID. So first we'll check with the help of using ID or slug. So for that we have to log into our CT panel. Navigating towards our CT backend, here we have to enter the email and the password and click on sign in. There on the left hand side, we have the option of products. Go to that and choose product list. Here you can choose any of the product. For example, I'm choosing this one. There you can see the product ID is there. Copy the product ID from there. Moving back to our MVM panel, enter the product ID there and click on import products. Products imported successfully. Now we can check the product in the import products option. The product which we have imported right now is there. Next we'll check how we can import the products data in bulk. Navigating towards the import products option again. Clicking on import products. Now choose the duration, from which duration you want to import the data. Till which date, click on import products. Products imported successfully. That means all the products are imported. So we'll check the products again. Navigating towards the import products again. Here you can see the list of the products which are there in CT are imported to our MVM panel. Now if in case you want to create a product from your MVM panel, so for that it is mandatory that you have imported the product option group from your CT to your MVM panel. Let me show you how you can import the product option group. Navigating towards the products again, here we have the option of product option group. Click on that. Now click on import option group. Here again we have two options. The first one is select duration and the second one is using ID or slug. First we'll check the using ID or slug option. Navigating towards our CT panel, here we have to choose this product type. There we have the ID for this product type. Copy the ID from there. Again navigating towards our MVM panel. Paste the ID and click on import option group. Product option group imported successfully. You can check the same in your product option group. There we have the product option group which we have imported right now, and now if we want to import in bulk, so you can just enter the duration again, the duration to which you want to import option group, and click on import option group from there. Product option groups imported successfully. You can check the same by navigating towards product option group. Here you can see the details are imported, or the data you can say. Now you can also import the collections from your CT to your MVM panel if you want. Let me show you that even. Choosing the collections from there. Here we have the option of import collections. There we have the option select duration and the using ID. So first we'll check the using ID or slug option. Navigating towards our CT panel again. Go to categories. Then choose the category list. Open any of the category you want. Now copy the ID again from the URL. Moving back to our MVM panel again, here you have to paste the ID and then click on import collections. Collections imported successfully. That means the collection ID which we have used is imported. You can check the same in the collections option. There we have the collection ID which we have right now imported. Now if you want to import in bulk, again navigating towards the import collections, choosing the date, till date and clicking on import collections. Collections imported successfully. Now let's check the collections also. Navigating towards the collection. Here you can see the list of the collections which are there in CT are imported to your MVM panel. You can also import orders from your CT panel to your MVM panel. We'll show you that in our next video, because for that we need our seller. So we'll register our seller in our next video and we'll show you how you can import the data of your orders from your CT panel to your MVM panel. Great job! Your data is now imported into MVM, making it easier to manage and operate your platform. In the following video, we'll guide you through the process of registering our seller. Found it insightful? Do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. If you have any question or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.